Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us. And as you can see, the last traded price, LTP of gold, is 1707. This is the closing price of gold. And there is no doubt that market is an downtrend, and as we all know that sellers are dominating this market for the last couple of weeks. Right now we can see that gold is somehow trying to take support around 1700 level. Okay, even I was reading some articles and the experts are also of opinion that this is a bearish market, and though gold is trying to take support around 1700 level, but yes, gold may fail to sustain above 1700 level and gold may go down further. If gold breaks 1700 level on Monday, observe the market first, because on Monday usually during the first half we do not have much volume. Okay, so as a result, observe the market. If you see that gold is breaking 1700 level with big red candles, it means that sellers are back again, they are dominating the market again, and then you can take a sell position below 1700 level. And the ultimate target for gold is around 1680 to 1681. And considering the previous history of gold, okay, there is a high chance the market will be bouncing from this particular level here. So if gold breaks 1700 level, because this is a temporary support, not a very strong support, 1700 level. Okay, this is a temporary support. So if market breaks it, you can take a sell position. And I think 1680 level is such a strong level, gold will bounce and you will get a good buy position. We don't know whether there will be a trend reversal or not, but at least we can expect a good bounce from 1680-81 level, and we can hope to make some money as well. So this is the strategy you need to follow if gold starts falling below 1700 level. And if we just try to focus on the present condition of the market here, then we can see that gold is trading in a narrow range right now. Gold is trading in a narrow range between 1700 on the downside, and we have got around 1716 on the upside. This is the narrow range of gold right now. Okay, so day traders, what you can do is that you can switch to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, you can switch to 15 minutes time frame, and on Monday, if you find market taking support around 1700 level, listen to me carefully. Okay, this is a level I'm suggesting for day traders only, and especially traders who have got experience in the market. If you're new to the market, if you are not in a position to any lose money right now, then please avoid it, because right now I'm in a lower time frame and the reliability of low time frame is less. Higher time frames are much more reliable in comparison to the lower time frames, and especially, okay, beginners, please avoid. See, if market comes down to 1700 level, okay, watch the market. There is a possibility that market will bounce. Okay, if there is not much selling pressure in the market under normal circumstances, under normal market condition, okay, there is a possibility that market will be bouncing from 1700 level, 1701 level, and then you can take a buy position. Okay, if you find market taking support and bouncing, if you see market forming hammer pattern or bullish engulfing pattern or any good price rejection from below, will give you the confirmation that yes, the temporary support of 1700 level is there. Okay, as there's not much selling in the market right now, you can take a buy position. Okay, and on the other hand, if market reaches 1716 level, okay, 1715 to 1716 level, this level I'm talking about, watch the market again. As you can see that market this particular level has acted as resistance in the lower time frame, so there is a possibility that market may reverse also. If you find market struggling around this level, if you find market reversing from this level, if you see a shooting star pattern or any good price rejection from above, you get the confirmation that yes, sellers are still present around this level, and then you can take a sell position. Okay, so these are the levels for day traders and who can afford to take some risk in the market right now. And otherwise, You can wait for the market. You can wait for the market to reach 1740 to 1745 level. You can see that I have also drawn a line here. This is a level 1740 to 1745. This is a resistance on the market. If you're a beginner new trader, you can consider this level. In case market goes up, there's a high chance that market will be struggling around this level, considering the present selling pressure in the market as well as previous price rejection. Listen to me carefully. And if we also draw Fibonacci, okay, then we can see that all the factors are pointing towards 1740 45 as a good resistance level. So therefore, if market goes up, if market breaks this level here, this particular range here, then definitely market will face some selling pressure. If there is no news in the market, if there is no craziness in the market, then definitely we can expect that gold will reverse from 1740 45 level and we can take a sell position. So first of all, if market breaks 1700 level with good amount of volume, we can take a sell position. Okay, but if the market remains dull in the Monday morning, okay, if there is not much volume or volatility in the market, then we can also expect the market to bounce. In that case, you can buy. So it depends on the volume of the market, and in case market breaks 1700 level, then the next support we can expect around 1680 to 81 level. Okay, this will be the best support for market. We can definitely expect a bounce. And on the other hand, if market goes up, then the strongest resistance on the chart as of now is around 1740 to 45. We can expect the market to reverse and we can take a sell position. And for day traders, if there is not much volatility in the market, craziness in the market, we can also expect the market to reverse for 1715 to 16 level. But keep in mind, this is not a very strong resistance level. So as a result, beginners, new traders should strictly avoid. Okay, beginners should avoid this level, because personally I will also try to avoid levels like this. So whatever you do, follow proper risk management and do not gamble with your hard-earned money. So take position wisely, and that's it. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday again. Have a great weekend, and please follow proper risk management, because I receive lots and lots of messages where people have blown their account, they have blown their hard-earned money, and mostly they have done the mistake on the chart of gold. Okay, so gold is very lucrative but dangerous as well. So please protect your hard-earned money, and capital protection should be your first priority always. Okay, bye bye, take care.